where you can make beautiful websites on WordPress. WordPress in itself is quite secure, but the problem is with the third-party plugins. You need to have other plugins that can secure your website. The first plugin that I would install is WordFence. For any needs, it actually blocks SQL injection, access, a lot of attacks towards your website. It actually shows live traffic. It also shows you blocks and gives you a list of the IPs that were blocked, so that if you want to do other measures, if you want to report them and do other stuff, you can do that. The second thing is WP Hide. That's also a very good plugin. What it does is it actually hides your admin login page. So Cloudflare, within Cloudflare, you can actually block a lot of things. The plugins that you install on your website should be minimal.